In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Sierra chart. Now, the first thing you want to do here, you want to, of course, have the correct instrument set up. So for me, I have XAU USD on my chart here. And of course, you must be connected to some data feed. And then whenever you are, you just want to go to trade up here. And then you want to click on open trade window for chart. And it's going to pop up this trade window over here where you can go ahead and basically select the type of trades you want to do. You can set your targets, etc. And then here, of course, you can set pretty much everything regarding your orders, so whatever you want to do. And you can just go ahead and either buy market, buy ask, or buy bid. And of course, sell market, sell ask, or sell bid. So that's how to actually trade on Sierra chart. You just have to open up this window and then you are good to go. Now, if you want any more settings, just click on the trade button up top. You can, of course, enable simulation mode if you want to. You can close the trade window. You can go ahead and set different things over here. So you could, of course, enable different things here and stuff like that. So everything is inside this trade menu. But of course, the main thing is going to be open trade window for chart. Or what you can also do is on here where it says attach trade window to chart, you can also do this. And it's going to stay here basically pretty much every single time. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.